back to my channel. So for today's video I wanted to do a hair care routine slash favorites, like what I use, what works for me, all that kind of stuff. So if you guys are interested, then please keep on watching. I'm gonna go ahead and start off with my hair type, I guess, like background history. I am Mexican, so my hair is naturally just straight and long and thick, and I love it so much. But it has been difficult over the years because I've honestly messed up my own hair. Throughout the years I have dyed my hair, I've bleached it, I've just done it all, and honestly I don't regret it because it was fun, you know, I loved experimenting. But now, like, my hair just got really damaged at one point. Ever since I was a little girl, I would have bangs, or I think they were bangs, and I would just, like, with the box dye, I would just like dye that part of my hair, and I don't think it even looked good, but that's what I would do. And then once I went into, I think, like 7th and 8th grade, that was when I started like dyeing like my full head of hair. I've had brown hair, I've had red hair, I've had blonde hair. I feel like I've had it all, and when I went blonde, that was when I really damaged my hair like no other. Like, when I went blonde, I just completely fried my hair, basically. Every single time that I have dyed my hair, I would always have long hair except when I went blonde. So sophomore year of high school, what I did was I cut my hair like really short, and I regret that so much. I feel like I did not like it. So then what I did was I went blonde, and I was like, oh, maybe that'll fix it, right? Because I could just grow out my hair real quick. I hated it even more. Like, it did look good, but like it just wasn't me, you know what I mean? Like, I preferred my dark hair, but since I had cut it short, I was like, I'll just dye it. And then I think I even went gray at one point. So yeah, and I just really damaged my hair. I didn't use this product called Olaplex that I would see everyone and their mom use. So now I really regret not doing that. And yeah, I really damaged my hair. So even till this day, I still miss my long hair. Like, I know this is pretty long to some people, but I've had like really long hair. I was freshman year of high school, and honestly, like, I feel like that's what I'm trying to get to now. Like, that's kind of my goal, just having like healthy hair. I began researching like a ton of products that were gonna like help with my hair and like repair like really damaged hair, and I found like really amazing products that have worked for that. So I'm gonna go ahead and share those with you guys now that you know a little bit more about my hair background history. The first product that I found that began working for me right away was this one right here, this Bare Repair Deep Conditioning Mask, and I found this on Sephora.com. I had a lot of great reviews. It's basically just like a deep conditioner, and I use this once a week on my hair, and I find that it really does help. It just leaves my hair super duper duper soft and silky and smooth, and all I do is just like shampoo and condition, and I really do love this product. And it also says it's free of sulfates, silicones, or parabens. And this one I believe was $24. I'll link it down below, and this one was amazing. This is like the first thing that I use, and it has helped me so much. I do only wash my hair maybe like twice a week, honestly, because my hair holds up pretty well. Like, it doesn't really get oily. Unless it's summer, then it's a whole different story. I don't really use heat very often. I don't ever blow dry my hair, even though it does take a while to blow dry because I do have thick hair, but I just let it air dry overnight. I usually take showers at night, so I just let it air dry. I do, like, you know, want to straighten my hair just a little bit because it does tend to get a little bit wavy in the back. I do have two products that I used before. I like to use this product. It's the 10 Miracle Leave-In product. It says it does 10 amazing things, you know, repair dry, damaged hair, shine, detangles, control frizz, and so much more, but I don't know if it does all that, but it does really help my hair. My hair just like really soaks in this product, and I've been using this one for a while now. And I do get these at Nordstrom. They're a lot more inexpensive there. I know Target has them, like other drugstore I know has them, but I find that they are actually a little bit more inexpensive at Nordstrom. I think at Nordstrom this was maybe like $27, I think, and I believe at Target it was like $32. I'm not really sure, but I will link it down below if you guys are interested in checking this out. The product that I have picked up recently is this one right here. This is the KENRA blow dry spray. Like I said, I don't blow dry my hair often at all, but whenever I do, this just makes it a lot easier. I found that this one had a lot of great reviews on Ulta, and I really do like this. It just does the job quicker, and it says it helps like put a layer of like protection, and it helps the hair just, you know, like detangle and smooth it out and increase shine. So this is another great product. Those are the things that I do use whenever I do want to put heat on my hair. As for oils, I love oils because they just make my hair super soft and shiny. This one right here, this is the Monoi coconut oil, and this is from the brand HASK. I actually picked these up at Target. They were super inexpensive. I think they're like $6, and they work so amazing. I love to use this even when I don't use heat on my hair. It just makes my hair super shiny, and it just gives it a nice like smooth finish, which I really do like. And it says it is moisturizing and revitalizing. It's free of sulfates and parabens, so I really do like. I don't use it all the time, just when my hair is a little bit frizzy. It's this one right here. This is the Ouai hair oil. I do like it when I have a little bit of frizz going on and it's like windy or something. This is a really nice product to use. It smells nice. I really do like this oil. And like I said, I do wash my hair like a really minimum amount in a week. 2 dry shampoos I really do like to use. The first one is this one, and I also picked this up at Target. This is the brand HASK again, same as this oil right here. And this is just a charcoal with citrus, long-lasting oil absorption purifying dry shampoo. And it has a really nice scent. It's just like, you know, citrusy, and I really do love this. I feel like it adds so much volume to my hair. It's probably like $7.99 at Target, I believe. So I really do love this product. Just like clean looking hair again, not just like to absorb the oil. I love to use this product right here. This is the Living Proof Perfect Hair Day Dry Shampoo, and it says it actually cleans hair, and I really do believe it does, because when I use this, I feel like my hair, I feel like I just freshly washed my hair. That's what it literally feels like. And I'm about to run out of this. I love all of these products. I feel like I've gone through all of them twice already, so that's really nice. So I really do love these. And now the next 2 items are just more of like, I guess, nice to haves, I want to say. So the first one is this from DRYBAR. This is the DRYBAR Sparkling Soda Shine Mist, and whenever, you know, I'm done like styling my hair, which I don't really style it often, I just wear my hair straight all the time, but if I do want a little bit of an extra something, I like to spray this on my hair. It just gives it like a really nice shine, and I feel like everyone loves this so much, so this is one of those. And the last product that I love to use is Olaplex. I recently picked this up at Sephora. This is the number 3, you know, the repair and strengthening one that I was telling you guys that I probably should have really used this when I went blonde, when I bleached my hair. I've only used it once, and you're supposed to use it. It's like a bond repair, and I've only used it once, and it's, you know, you're supposed to use it before shampooing, and then you shampoo and then you condition as usual. And I did find that it just, I don't know how to explain it. It just literally like revamped my hair. Like it felt like new hair. Like I don't even know if that makes sense, but it just felt new, and it was really nice. I loved the effect, and I'm really glad I picked this up. I feel like this will be the game changer for me. I picked this up recently, and I'll let you guys know at the end when I like finish this bottle, if I really do you know, see actual like bond repairing results, I guess I want to say. It's everything that I use for my hair, and just for fun, this is an actual new hairbrush that I've picked up. I got this at Forever 21 actually, but I feel like these bristles are really nice. I've tried a lot of brushes, like I've literally tried like expensive brushes from Ulta, and I just feel like they always pull and tug on my hair, but bristles like these I feel like are the ones that work better. They just completely get through all of my hair, and like I said, I do have thick hair, so I feel like this literally touches like the root, something that not a lot of brushes do. So yeah, I really do love this hairbrush, and this was like $3.90, so Forever 21 knows what. And I love that it's gold. It's just really pretty. Lastly, I forgot to mention the shampoo and conditioner that I use. So I'm going to show you guys. These are the ones that I have been using, and they do work for me. Just like the Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. This is simply the BRIOGEO Rosarco, I think that's how you say it. And it's just a repair conditioner, and this is the repair shampoo. So they are from the same line as this one, you know, they're all the same. And I picked these all up at Sephora, like I said, and it smells amazing. I'm almost out, so yeah, these are great too. I think that is everything that I wanted to mention in this video. These are all the products that have been working for me. I will say my favorite one is the very first one that I mentioned, the deep conditioning mask. This one is amazing. It leaves my hair super nice and silky and soft and smooth and everything. I feel like it's the best one. These are the products that I use. If you guys have any products, if they're from the drugstore, from Sephora, it doesn't matter. Anything that works for you guys that has helped you with like a damaged hair, especially if you've gone blonde and you're trying to repair your hair like I am, then please let me know down in the comments below. As of now, I don't have any plans to dye my hair or cut it. I just want to grow it out, have nice long hair again. That is my goal, and I just want to have it super healthy. I just want to go back to freshman year me. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope anything that I said came out helpful. Maybe you found some new products. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. As always, any feedback would be amazing. Let me know what you guys think. Follow me down below on my social media. Don't forget to subscribe down below. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye everyone.